You know those TikTok ads where someone is talking about a product like it changed their life? Guess what? That person might not even be real. Yep, people are using AI-generated actors to make videos that sell product. And the craziest part? They're making thousands of dollars from these videos without ever showing their face, without talking, and without having a huge following. In this video, I'll walk you through how to do the same thing step by step. We're gonna be making a full AI video using different tools. This is for anyone who wants to start making money online with affiliate marketing and UGC without ever being on camera. So let's get into it. First, what is affiliate marketing and UGC? Affiliate marketing is super simple. You basically promote a product using your special link, and when someone buys through that link, you get paid a commission. That's it. No customer service, no inventory. You just get the sales and earn. UGC stands for user-generated content. Usually, it means content made by a real person, no brands. Stuff that feels natural, like product reviews and testimonials. But now, there are so many tools out there, like arcads.ai, and you don't even need a real person to do UGC. You can use AI actors that looks and sounds exactly like a real person. Most people won't even notice. So we're combining the two. We're using AI to make UGC style videos that promote affiliate products. You post them online, and if someone buys, you get paid. Now, do people actually make money doing this? Yes, and that's why I'm also doing a lot of affiliate marketing using UGC. There are people making $500, $1,000 to over $5,000 every single month consistently. And I'm not talking about influencers or people with 100K followers. I'm talking about regular people using smart tools, testing different products, and building a system. Once you make one good video that works, you can just repeat the process with different products. Let's go step by step and build a video together. Step number one is finding a product to promote. Go to clickbank.com and register. You go to marketplace and you will see tons of products. Health, beauty, dating, online courses, you name it. Look at how much commission you can earn and how popular it is. Pick something you think people would actually want to buy. And you can look at the gravity score. Once you find a product, click promote to get your affiliate link. Save it somewhere, you will need this later. Other good places to find offers are impact.com, dstore24, and CJ Affiliate. Step number two is to grab an image of the product. You need a product image. Just go to the product sales page and screenshot it, or search the product name plus image on Google. Go to arcads.ai. Once you get there, you browse through their library of AI actors. You can use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Pick someone who fits the vibe of the product. If it is fitness supplement, pick someone who looks active. If it is a relationship course, pick someone relatable or warm. You'll be using this AI actor to talk about the product. So take a look at all of these different actors right here. You can even choose if it's female or male, pregnant or not. Now let's go to step number 4. Now in ARCAD, you can have the actor hold some sort of item. So for example, if I go to the new version, we can generate the character, we can do whatever we want, and even put a reference image. So we have the actor right here. We have the product that we screenshot from the product page. Now I'm just going to say, have her hold the product. Click generate, and now we wait. Okay, so after waiting for about 2 minutes, we have the actor generated already holding the product. And you can see this looks so real. It generates 3 different images for you of the actor doing something that you told them to do, which is basically hold the reference image that we screenshot from the sale page. Now I'm gonna save all of these 3 images. Now what I would like to do is to animate this so it's not just a static image, so we can then edit it together with the narration. Okay, so now that we have the 3 static image of an actor holding an item, we can go to Google Flow and have it animate the static image into a video. In order to use Google Flow, you will need a Google AI subscription. I was able to get Google AI subscription for free for a year because I have a student account. That means that if you have an email from your school or college, You can use that and link it to a Google account in order to get 1 year for free. I believe you can also find a 30-day trial out there as well. So let's click Create with Flow. Let's go to a new project. I even upgraded my account to Ultra because of all the things that I have to do for my businesses. So once you go into the Scenes Builder, you can go to Frames to Video. Right now, I have selected the VO3 Fast, which is gonna consume 20 credits. You can also use the VO2 Fast, which is not gonna contain any audio. We don't want any audio anyway because we're gonna put the narration on top. I'm gonna add an image of her holding the product, and then I'm gonna prompt it to create a video where she's holding a product without actually talking. So because I have the Ultra account, I have a lot of credits to burn every single month. So I'm just gonna try a different prompt. I'm gonna say that she is showing the product, maybe rotating the product, all without actually talking or moving her mouth. I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out, so let's give it a try. Now, I wanna try VO3. Let's do that. I'm gonna upload this image again, have her hold and show the product without talking or moving her mouth. Okay, let's see the difference between VO3 and VO2. Remember, we don't need the actress to talk anyway, so let's take a look at this first one. Look at how good it is. It's so realistic. It's just like she's holding the product and talking about it. She's moving her mouth, so I guess the prompt didn't work. We can work with that. She's not moving her mouth much over here, so I can definitely use that and cut it out. VO3 actually followed the prompt of having her not talk or move her mouth, which is great. So in order to download this, I'm gonna upscale this to 1080p. And now we just wait for this to finalize, and then we can save. All right, so in Flow, when it's done upscaling, you can download the footage. Now you've got your actor and the product in motion, so all that's left is the script. Keep it casual and short, like you're talking to a friend. Here's the basic format you can copy. The hook could be, I didn't expect this to actually work. The benefit, I have tried other products before, but this one really surprised me. And then you put the trust, which is the ingredients are all natural and I saw result in just a week. Then you have a call to action, which could be, you can check it out with the link in my bio. Don't overthink it, keep it natural. Okay, so I used ChatGPT to ask it to help me write a script for a testimonial about the product. I gave it the link to the product page so that it has more information about the product. I asked it to use the format of having a hook, the benefit, the trust, and a call to action. It generated this script for me. Now let's go back to Arcads. So it's Heather, I'm gonna select her, save changes. Now I have her selected. I'm gonna paste the script here. Text to speech, that's correct. I'm gonna place the voice. You can generate the audio however many times you want. You can change the speed, the stability, the similarity, the exaggeration, until you get something that you really like. Once that's done, you can play it and see if you like it. If not, you can tweak it around. The script is a little bit weird because it said, it might surprise you like it did me. We don't usually talk like that. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT again to make it more natural and casual. Okay, all right. I'm gonna copy it over and fix this to make it one single paragraph. It just seems to flow better when I have it as a single paragraph. So now I'm gonna generate again, click play. I think that sounds pretty good, so I'm gonna generate now, clicking the arrow over here. So this is gonna generate a video and it's gonna take a credit. We wait. Okay, so the video is done. Let's check it out.
I honestly didn't expect this to work. I've tried a bunch of these kinds of supplements before and they usually do nothing, so I wasn't really expecting much with Middlin.
And now I'm gonna combine it with the video where she's actually holding the product. Let's do some video editing. Okay, so I'm gonna use Premiere, which is the editing software that I usually use to edit this video. We have the main actor generated from Arcad saying the script. I'm just gonna generate some B-roll that we can use in the video. All right, that's pretty much it.
I honestly didn't expect this to work. I've tried a bunch of these kinds of supplements before and they usually do nothing, so I wasn't really expecting much with Middlin. But wow, this one actually did something. I started feeling way more clear-headed during the day, like I wasn't dragging myself through my to-do list. I've even been sleeping better, which never happens for me. I think what made me stick with it is that they're super upfront about what's in it, and everything actually makes sense. It's not full of random junk like a lot of others I've seen. Anyway, if you're like me and kind of skeptical, try it. Middlin seriously surprised me, and I'm glad I gave it a shot.
Here are some examples where I didn't use any viral and it's just testimonial kind of video straight out of Arcads.
When I started creating content, I had no clue how to make reels or plan posts.
I grabbed the Ultimate Content Toolkit to start my first digital product shop.
As a social media manager, I'm always hunting for fresh ideas. The Ultimate Content Toolkit has over 100,000 resources, so I never hit
So
a
if you
creative
want to
wall.
try Arcad, feel free to use my affiliate link, which is in the description of this video. You have now got a full AI video with an actor and voice promoting a product. If you want to boost your chances of getting a sale, you can use ClickBank Funnel Accelerator. What is a funnel? It's just a simple flow. Someone watches your video, they click your link, and then it lands on a page that warms them up. Then it goes to the sales page. Funnels help increase trust and conversion. The accelerator tool helps you build these pages very fast. If you're new to marketing, building a sales funnel sounds very complicated until you try something like ClickBank Accelerator. It's basically a drag and drop tool, which means that you do not need to know any coding, and you just choose the pages you need, like the product, checkout, upsell, thank you, and drop them all into one place. Each piece connects automatically, so you don't have to worry about linking the buttons or setting up weird third-party tools. It's just there. You can customize the layout, add your product info, set your price, and hit publish. That's it. And since it's built for ClickBank, it's already optimized for selling, and the payouts, integration, all of that is handled. If you've never built a funnel before, this should be pretty simple to do. It's ideal if you're trying to get something up and running fast, like a digital product, a course, an affiliate offer, especially if you don't want to spend days messing with software. So yeah, if you have been putting off launching because of the funnel part, which seemed pretty complicated, this makes it more doable. So check it out, it's in the description of this video. Now let's get your video out into the world. You can post it on TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, which is basically Instagram. You don't need a big audience. Just use trending hashtag and a strong hooks in the caption and say something like link in the bio. To automate things, use a tool like ManyChat. It lets you automatically send someone your affiliate link when they comment a certain word like info or link. And this is even better because it creates engagement in your post. That way, you stay within the platform rules and increase your chances of converting. Let me know in the comments what niche you're gonna try this with. Fitness, skincare, dating, supplement. I'll reply with tips. And if you're curious about how people are doing the same thing, creating UGC video but for real products on Amazon, check out my next video on the Amazon Influencer Program. I'll show you how people are getting paid to create product videos, post them on Amazon, and earn passive income without ever needing to go viral. Check out the video in the description down below, and I'll see you there.